Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Akhtar, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Financial Express newspaper headlines. So, first of all, Nokia irrigation bag Geo's dollar 3 billion contracts. Next, FT ranking ISB up 24 spots. IMB makes debut. Next, PM flex high import bill for edible oil fertilizer. Next, SBI cuts saving account interest rate by 5 basis points. Next, passing on cost increases to consumers' responsibility. Next, hiring winter in India. INC said to be prolonged one. Next, Byju's raises $250 million from existing investors. Next, we comes to the page number 2. On that, PM flags high import bill of edible oils and fertilizers. Next, fight against inflation will be prolonged. RBI. Next, India tour of UN Security General begins today. Next, PM to addresses 19 Interpol General Assembly port. Next, government seeks data on vacancies from PSU roadmap to fill them. Next, new policy UP offers rebate on land stamps duty to for taxable unit. Next, bolsters supply chain in renewables. Goel. Next, impact of tidal of inflation to be felt after 5 to 6 quarters. Jainath Verma. Next, solar PLI to government to invite proposal within a week. Next, dot extend deadline for comments on draft telecom bills to October 30. Next, Byju's raises $250 billion from existing investor. Next, 5G network Nokia Ericsson back Geo $3 billion contracts. Then we come to page number 3 on that Africa and LATAM pop up India's exports. Next, India targets rupees 35,000 crore in defense export by financial year 25, says Rajnath Singh. Then we come to the page number 24 on that Adani opens offer for NDA TV await SEBI approval. Next, DGCA asks SpiceJet to follow revived rules. Next, VMart buys Lime Road to invest rupees 150 crore. Next, Pycon Biologist link deal with Yoshinunda. Next, NTPC Mitsubishi pact for hydrogen co-firing. Next, Bhushan Akshikar is GSK Pharma MD. Next, PDS acquires 51% stake in DBS Lifestyle. Next, Tata Motors takes leaf out of Tesla for rooftop charging. Next, ACC posts surprise rupees 87 crore loss. Next, Heidelberg's profit falls 88%. Next, Oriental Hotels profit at rupees 11 crore. Next, Mercedes back in black in financial year 2022. Next, PVR consolidated loss narrow to rupees 71 crore. Next, Cognizant appoints 2 members to executive team. Next, Titan adds IRTH to handbag portfolio. Then next we are passing on cost increasing to consumer responsibility. Next we come to page number 5 on that 66% of Indian CEOs expect recession in 1 year. Next, Flipkart to allow our user to shop on metaverse with Flipverse. Next, air traffic set to hit pre-COVID levels this fiscal. Next, SC dismisses Kerala's pleas against decision to lease airport to Adani. Then we come to page number 6 article section on that Xiaomi ascendancy. Next, Xiaomi and China become synonymous. Next, Diwali light and darkness. Next, Elon Musk ego muddies Ukraine war effect. Then effort. Then on page number 7 on that merger continues to be key overhang. Next, strong revival in demand expected. Next, inflation lead pricing hides stress on volume growth. Next, Samsung uses old Galaxy phone for eye checkups. Next, grow your wealth with algorithm driven research. Then we comes to page number 8 on that Mastercard debuts cryptocurrency trading. Next, Murdoch plan to reunited Fox News Corp. Next, Ye to buy conversational networking app Parley. Next, Chinese government delays GDP data release due to Tuesday. Next, Xiaomi Fersit Taiwan rhetoric rises risk of war. Next, Credit Suisse to pay $495 billion to settle RMBC's case. Next, BJP to buy Archaea Energy for $4.1 billion. Next, EU set to green light Ukraine training mission arms fund. Next, Kiwi rocked by explosion from drones. Next, new British FM drops almost all of tax cut plan. Then next BTS plans to fulfill military duties group to reconvince around 2025. Next, Goldman shakes up leadership ranks in yet another overhaul. Then we come to page number 9 on that traders having tough time on uncertain market movements. Next, Hinduja Leyland Finance raises rupees 910 crore. Next, Bank of Baroda hikes rate of FCNR deposit. Next, four companies get SEBI IPOs. Node. Next, Federal Bank to issue 1 year CDs. Next, Aditya Birla Finance to issue December and CPs. Next, yield at 7.4% fall most in 2 weeks. Next, lower provision, higher NIIs boost BOM net profit. Next, Invesco may sell 5.51% in Z Entertainment for $169.5 million. Next, Mindtree second quarter result deliver a bit on all parameters. Next, Nippon Life not to exit Reliance Nippon Life. Then we come to page number 10 on that RBI norms on ARCs to cut funding needs says crucial. Next, JP Morgan names Naveen Vadhyavani India heads for iBanking. Next, RBI forward interventions may hurt rupee defending. Next, rupee ends almost flat. Next, Max Life decide to pay rupees 3 crore penalty. Next, Sunatram Home Fin sees potential in a small biz loan. Then we comes to page number 11 on that price hike in wheat and rice normal food security. Next, CIL did not hike domestic prices despite global rate hike. Their government. Then we come to page number 14 on that hiring winter said to be prolonged. The next 96% turnout in Kong poll, all eyes on October 19. Next, Chandrachud to take oath at a CGI on November 9. Next, centers order against SC norms, Twitter tells SC. Next, ISB IIM Bangalore only to form India from India to figure in FT ranking. Next, Garuda Lockheed Martin link drone deal. Then we come to page number 15 article section on that part to pride at DEF Expo as India welcomes defense companies in hybrid mode. Then next, integrations and exports in defense creating the strategic advantages. Then we come to page number 16 on article section in that Airbus products showcased at Expo. Next, India's locally made light compact helicopter adds teeth to armed forces. Next, a powerful BrahMos with unique feature has an asset for the armed forces. Next, MDL working on product diversification to boost exports. Then we come to page number 17. It's an article section in that Thal is a key partner in India defense modernization journey. In the next, DRDO enhances capability to encounter China's Pakistan. Next, we comes to page number 18 on that workshop industry has matured. Next, BLM showcasing its product Expo. That's for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.